Hello everyone, this is Amit, your mentor at mentorbuddy.com. Here we have a short video on pipes and cistern. So let's quickly see a question based on pipes and cistern. It says 3 taps A, B and C can fill the tank in 12, 15 and 20 hours respectively. If A is open all the time, if A is open all the time and B and C are open for 1 hour each alternately, the tank will be full in 6 hours, 6 hole 2 by 3 hours, 7 hours or 7 hole 1 by 2 hours. So out of these 4 options we need to choose one correct option. Okay, so this is a question based on alternate pipe, right? That is one after the other. What is happening in this question, we will understand it. That is, pipe A is open for all the time, right? Pipe A is open for all the time. But what is happening with pipe B and C, that if B is open for 1 hour, then after that B is closed, and then pipe C is open for another hour. Then for the third hour, pipe B is again opened and pipe C is closed. This is called that how they are filling the tank alternatively, B and C, but A is open for all the time. So they are asking that the tank will be full in how many hours. Okay, so before proceeding with this question, we just need to understand the concept of alternate pipes, right? So what will happen, let's suppose there are two pipes, pipe A and pipe B. Let's suppose pipe A can fill the tank in 10 hours, right? And what we will do, we'll see the pipe B which can fill the tank in 15 hours, right? And if I'm saying that pipe A and B filling this tank in alternatively, that is for first hour, if pipe A is filling the tank, then for the second hour, pipe B is filling the tank, then for the third hour, right, pipe A is again filling the tank. So this way they are filling the tank. So what will be the total time taken by them if it starts with pipe A, right? So this is the concept of that alternate pipe, that is alternate work. That is, if A is doing for 1 hour, then B is doing for 1 hour, then A is doing for 1 hour, like this. Okay, so how to tackle these type of questions? See, we will apply the same method of efficiency in this as well. How to apply it? That is, let's suppose the tank filled by pipe A in 10 hours and B in 15 hours. So the LCM of 10 and 15 is how much? 30. So 30 will become the amount of work, or we can say the capacity of the tank. If the 30 is the capacity of the tank, what will be the efficiency of A? That is 30 divided by 10, that is equivalent to 3, and 30 divided by 15 will be equivalent to 2. So 3 is the efficiency of pipe A and 2 is the efficiency of pipe B. And what is efficiency? Efficiency is the amount of work done by A in 1 hour, and efficiency of B means that amount of work done by B in 1 hour, right? So what will happen, that if the amount of work done by A in 1 hour is 3, so in 10 hours how much work A will do? 10 multiplied by 3, 30. Okay, that means that is the total capacity of the tank, which we have verified it. The 10 multiplied by 3 is giving us 30. And similarly, if 2 is the amount of work done by B, then how much work done by B in 15 hours? 15 multiplied by 2, that is also coming out to be 30. It means the total capacity of the tank is 30. Or we know that whenever we take the LCM like this to find the efficiency, the LCM is always the total amount of work. So in this, the total amount of work is the capacity of the tank. Now it has been given that first hour A is working. So A has worked for first hour. How much amount of work A has done? A is doing 3 work in 1 hour, so the work done by A will be 3. Then on the second hour, how much is the amount of work done by B? That is 2, right? So altogether, how much work is done? If we are writing work on the top side and we are writing the time on the lower side, what will happen? The amount of work done is 5 and the total time taken is 2 hours, right? To complete this 5 work, how much time it took? It took 2 hours. So how much work we need to complete? 30. So to reach this 30 we need to multiply this by 6. 6 multiplied by 5 will give us 30. So with the same value we will multiply the timing, that is multiplied by 6, that is 12 hours, right? So what we did, see, we got the one set as pipe A filled 3 part of the tank in first hour, then the second hour pipe B filled 2 part of the tank. So in total 5 tank is filled, that the work done is 5. How much time is taken? 2 hours. So this will repeat again and again. How many times we have to repeat this process? 6 times. So we have just multiplied, we have written work on the top side and time on the lower side, because again then we have to do it manually, that is plus 3 plus 2 then plus 3 plus 2, like this we have to do it again and again. So instead of doing that, what we did, we just multiplied this by 6, and on the lower side also we got 30. So 30 is the total work which we need to complete. This is the total work, right, which we need to complete. So if it is multiplied by 6 we are getting 30. It means 6 times this process has to repeat. So to do this process one time it is taking 2 hours. To repeat it 6 times it will take 2 multiplied by 6, that is 12 hours. So this is the approach, this is the fastest approach to solve alternate questions. So we'll apply the same approach in our question. That is, the question says 3 taps A, B and C can fill the tank in 12, 15 and 20 hours respectively. So we have a tank in which pipe A is there, right, pipe B is there and pipe C is there, right, and we have been given pipe A, B and C has been given. A can fill the tank in 12 hours and B can fill the tank in 15 hours and C can fill the tank in 20 hours. So we can write it here, A can fill the tank in 12 hours, B can fill the tank in 15 hours and C can fill the tank in 20 hours, right, respectively. If A is open all the time and B and C are open for 1 hour each alternately, the tank will be full in. Okay, so it means if A is open for all the time, first we need to find the efficiency of all these 3 pipes. So we have to find the LCM. LCM of 12, 15 and 20 will be 60. LCM will be 60, so the total capacity of the tank will become 60, or the total work will be 60, right? So what will happen now, if the 60 is the total work, efficiency of A will be 60 upon 12, that is coming out to be 5, 60 upon 15, that will come out to be 4, 60 upon 20, that is coming out to be 3. So this is the efficiency of A, B and C. Now what will happen, just we have to analyze it. What will happen, A is open all the time, B and C are open for alternatively. It means for the first star A is open with both the pipes. So first star, what will work? In the first star A and B will work together, right? And in the second star what will happen, A and C will work together. Then on the third star again A and B will work together, right, because A is open all the time and B and C are working alternatively. Okay, the efficiency of a pipe A is how much? 5, right, and the efficiency of pipe B is how much? 4. So how much efficiency, with how much efficiency work will be done in first star, that is 5 plus 4, that is 9. In the second star, how much efficiency of A? Efficiency of A is always 5, and efficiency of pipe B is what? Pipe C is what? 3. So in the second star, what will be the efficiency? 5 plus 3, that is 8. So in the first star the work done is 9, and in the second star the work done is 8. So we will apply the same method, that is how much work is done and what is the time taken. So work we can write it on the top side and time we can write it on the lower side. How much work is done? 9 plus 8, that is 17 work is done. And how much is the total time taken? Total time taken is 2 hours. So we need to reach to 60, that 60 is the total work. So we will multiply this 17 to reach near to 60. We will multiply it by 3 to get how much? 51. So we need to multiply it by 3 as well, because above and lower we multiply with the same value, that is 3 into 2, 6 hours. So it shows us that 6 hours is to complete how much work? That is 51 work. Now the turn is of A and B together, right? Because this set is repeated 3 times, then now the turn is of A. So A and B together, B. So B and A together will do how much work? 9 work they will do. So it will, in the next hour, what will happen? 9 work will be done, and the work done is how much? That is complete work is completed. 60 work will be done. So it will take how much time more? It will take 1 hour more to complete this work. So in total, how much time is taken? That is 7 hours will be taken. Okay, so this is the approach of alternate works. So that is option C is correct one. So please learn this concept. It is very important concept and very much asked in different types of questions. Okay, thank you.